Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Google Sites while signed into your Google account. This gives you instant access to templates and hosting. Start with a clear goal, what pages you need, and which template matches your layout, because the template determines initial blocks and styles. Once chosen, rename the site and the home page so navigation makes sense. Set the visibility to anyone with link or specific people depending on who should view it. Make sure to connect the custom domain now if you have one to avoid later DNS steps. Next, you'll build pages by adding sections and dragging pre-built blocks. This is where the site takes shape. Insert text, images, and embedded content. Explain why each section exists so users scan quickly. Adjust the header to compact or large, pick navigation top or side, and use the layout grid to align visuals consistently. Once done, set page titles and meta descriptions for search visibility, and use the mobile preview to confirm responsive behavior. Fix spacing and image sizes to improve load time. When you're ready, hit publish and choose your site address. If using a custom domain, verify ownership and update DNS records as instructed. After publishing, test every link, form, and embedded item so you catch broken paths, and check load times to optimize images or remove heavy scripts. If things go wrong, clear your browser cache and test in an incognito window. If domain issues persist, recheck DNS propagation and cname/a records with your registrar. Finally, make incremental edits and republish as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.